Deep underground is a cave to behold, carved by the Pivka River, millions of years old. I was here, the graffiti portrays, from as early as 1215, right up to today. In 1819, the public came inside with candles and lanterns to light up their stride. Then 1872 brought a marvelous train, pushed along by the guides through this underground domain. And in 1884, what an incredible sight! The wonders of the cave came alive with electric light. Gas locomotives came next, no more pushing with might. Then electric locomotives made the journey just right. 15 miles of passageways wind beneath our feet, but only about 3 are ours to explore and see. Yet over 2 centuries, millions have come to journey underground and admire the view. What is so great? What will we see? Let's take a look. Please, come with me. There's the concert hall, the Tube Spaghetti Hall, and Big Mountain Hall with wonders surrounding us. We can't see them all. Then the brilliant white pillar standing stately and tall, 5 meters high, one of the grandest of all. Stalactites, stalagmites, dripstone pillars galore. Look this way, look that way, there's always more. Twisting and turning wherever we go, nature has sculpted this world down below. It's stunning, impressive, a spectacular sight, a mysterious world far away from daylight. But wait, just a moment, there's something more. A curious creature on the cavern floor. An amphibian, a troglodyte, a blind cave salamander, living without light. What a strange little creature. What an unusual sight. The olm, or human fish, pale as can be, lives here in darkness where sunlight can't see. Nearly 12 inches long, an unusual sight, living its life without need for daylight. A strange little creature few ever see, and now you've met one right along with me. Now back to the sunshine, the daylight we know, leaving the mysteries of the world down below. What an adventure! What wonders we've met. Our journey through Postonja we'll never forget.